We're going to troubleshoot the import error, no module named YAML error on macOS after seemingly successfully installing PyYAML. This error pops up even when you've used pip install PyYAML or another installer, and it's surprisingly common. Let's fix it. 1. Verify the installation. First, double-check if PyYAML is actually installed. Open your terminal and type pip show PyYAML. If PyYAML is installed correctly, you'll see information about the version, location, etc. If you get an error message, the installation failed, and we need to retry the installation step. We'll cover that in a moment. If it is shown, move to step 2. 2. Check Python versions. macOS often has multiple Python versions installed, System Python, and those you've installed using Homebrew, installers, etc. The pip you're using might be associated with a different Python than the one you're running your script in. To check which Python your terminal uses, type which Python. This tells you the path. Now, run your Python script using the same interpreter, usrr's local bin python myscript.py, for example, if that's what which Python showed. If the error persists, find the path where PyYAML is installed, from pip show PyYAML. If it's in a directory outside of what your Python environment can see, you will need to either install PyYAML in the correct location or change your Python interpreter. 3. Reinstall PyYAML. If the above steps don't work, let's try reinstalling PyYAML. Use pip uninstall PyYAML first, then pip install PyYAML. This forces a fresh installation, potentially resolving any corrupted files or installation issues. Ensure you use the correct pip associated with the Python interpreter you are using. You might need to specify it in your terminal as python3 mpip install PyYAML. 4. Virtual environments. Recommended. The most robust solution is to use virtual environments. Virtual environments isolate project dependencies, preventing conflicts. Create a virtual environment using python3 mvenv venv. Replace .venv with your desired name. Activate it. On macOS, usually source spot venv/bin activate. Then install PyYAML within the environment. Pip install PyYAML. This ensures PyYAML is only installed for that specific project and prevents clashes with system-wide packages or other projects. 5. Check your Python path. The Python path environment variable tells Python where to look for modules. If PyYAML is installed but not in a directory listed in your Python path, Python won't find it. You can print the current Python path by running print osenviron Python path in your Python script. Import OS first. If the path to your PyYAML installation isn't included, you might need to add it, but virtual environments are a far cleaner way to manage this. 6. Homebrew issues. If you're using Homebrew, ensure it's updated, brew update, and that you haven't accidentally installed a conflicting Python version through Homebrew. Sometimes, inconsistencies between Homebrew managed Python and System Python can cause these problems. If all else fails, restarting your computer might resolve temporary file system glitches. Remember to always specify the correct Python interpreter and use virtual environments for the cleanest and most reliable dependency management.